Most people think real estate agents only help when you're buying or selling a home. But what if I told you we can be a valuable resource even when you're staying put? From helping you understand your home's value to connecting you with the best local contractors. Here are 7 ways a real estate agent can help you even if you're not selling. Sure, you can check home value estimates online, but let's be real. Those numbers can be way off. If you're curious about your home's actual worth or need a reliable estimate for estate planning, an agent can give you a professional market analysis based on real data. Need a plumber, electrician, or painter? Instead of sifting through endless online reviews, ask your real estate agent. We work with home service pros all the time and know who's reliable. And bonus, mentioning your agent's name might even get you VIP treatment. Think your property taxes are too high? Challenge them. You'll need solid data. A real estate agent can pull comparable sales, help you determine if you have a case for appealing your home's assessed value. Thinking about refinancing? Well, we're not lenders, we do understand how home values, interest rates, and market trends affect your options. Plus, we can connect you with a great mortgage pro to explore the best refinancing strategy for your situation. Even if you're not moving right now, it never hurts to plan ahead. An agent can help you research neighborhoods, school districts, and commute times. And if you're considering a move out of town, we can connect you with a trusted agent in your future destination. Thinking about remodeling? Some home improvements boost value, others, not so much. Before spending thousands on a renovation, check with a real estate agent. We can tell you which upgrades will actually pay off when it's time to sell. We can also help with any other questions you have: market trends, local development, or just a weird homeownership question. Real estate agents have seen it all. Whether you need insight on an upcoming project or just want to ask, hey, is this normal? We're here to help. So there you have it. 7 ways a real estate agent can help you even if you're not selling. Have a real estate question? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more expert tips, and hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.